In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key in Stripe. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your keys and how to use them safely in your projects. First, open your browser and sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Stripe home dashboard. This is the main control center where you can see things like your payments, balances, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct Stripe account if you have access to more than one, because the API keys will be different for each account and each environment. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Developers. Go ahead and click on that. The Developer section is where Stripe keeps all the tools you need to integrate Stripe with your website or application, including logs, webhooks, and of course, API keys. After you click Developers, a menu will appear on the left-hand side. In this menu, find and click on API Keys. This will open the main API Keys page for your account. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're still in the correct account and that you have the necessary permissions to view developer settings. Now that you're on the API Keys page, look for a section called Standard Keys. This area is where Stripe lists the default keys you'll use for most integrations. Typically, you'll see keys for both test mode and live mode, and you can switch between these modes at the top of the dashboard. When you're just getting started or working in a development environment, make sure you're using test mode so you don't process real payments by accident. Inside the standard keys section, you'll find two main types of keys, a publishable key and a secret key. The publishable key is meant to be used on the client side, for example in your front-end code, and it's okay if this one is visible in your application. The secret key, however, must be kept confidential and should only be used on your server. Treat it like a password, never share it publicly, never commit it to public repositories, and rotate it if you think it might have been exposed. To use either key, simply click the copy button next to it and paste it into your application or configuration file where it's needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located and copied your Stripe API keys.